Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.
Library learns his sentence.
But first, our Angelica Sanchez joins us live from Milwaukee with the sentence just handed down for the man who sent an off-duty Milwaukee police detective to the hospital.
That's right, and that detective, Andrew Wilkewitz, told the courtroom that one of the bullets that hit him narrowly missed his heart. Keyshawn Ellis Brown pleaded guilty to attempted first-degree intentional homicide and 2 other charges. He also pleaded guilty to charges for a 2020 police chase. Prosecutors say he shot Detective Andrew Wilkewitz at a Shake Shack in the 3rd Ward back in January of 2022. Prosecutors say Ellis Brown was determined to get his cell phone back after dropping it while trying to steal a car used for DoorDash. He stopped when he saw children inside. The female driver came out of the restaurant and picked up the phone. She ran inside the restaurant, but that's when Ellis Brown went back inside the restaurant as well. Detective Wilkewitz identified himself as police and told Ellis Brown to stop. That's when Ellis Brown shot him twice at point-blank range, nearly killing him. Detective Wilkewitz says he forgives the man who shot him, but still calls him a coward for his actions.
Mr. Ellis Brown, I'm going to tell you right now, I forgive you for what you did, but you must be held accountable for your actions. I don't know Mr. Ellis Brown personally, but based on what happened that day and the stories of the other cases, I know Mr. Ellis Brown is a coward.
Ellis Brown will be serving 33 years in prison and will then be serving 19 years of extended supervision. Ellis Brown apologized to Detective Wilkewitz, his loved ones, and his community. At sentencing, the judge said this was a tragedy all around, and if it weren't for modern medicine, the detective would have lost his life that day. Reporting live outside the Milwaukee County Courthouse, Angelica Sanchez.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.